presenting PassCode AIM, a beautiful, well-planned project at Kurla. Welcome guys to DHC New Homes channels. Today we are exploring a very interesting project which is a hallmark of thoughtfully laid out flats at reasonable prices at Kurla. We are at PassCode AIM, a beautiful and well-planned project with beautiful living spaces. Before moving further, subscribe to our channel for updates about the projects in Mumbai. And do follow our other social media links for more updates about the new real estate projects in Mumbai. So now about the project, they provide a 2 and 3 BHK apartments with a carpet area starting from 660 square feet to 811 square feet, and the possession date is around December 2025. The prices of these apartments starts from 1.22 CR and goes till 1.5 CR. Now talking about the configurations and the floor plan, the 660 square feet of a 2 BHK granite starts from 1.22 CR, and for a 3 BHK it is 811 square feet and the prices is 1.15 CR onwards. The beautiful top amenities provided by the builders are like the party hall, library, senior citizen area, gymnasium, yoga area, CCTV and many more. They providing the beautiful cross-ventilated homes with a peaceful abode. In addition to these benefits, with unmatched connectivity within 4 kilometers is the BKC complex, with Chembur and Ghatkopar relatively more nearby. The closest metro station is Ghatkopar station on the Blue Line 1 of Mumbai Metro, around 4 kilometers. The Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road and Eastern Expressway is well connected with Swami Vivekananda School and Shantaram Kushanji High School nearby, with famous hospitals like Khan Bandur Bhabha Hospital and Aryan Hospital all nearby to Kurla East, with the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport less than 30 minutes. This project is developed by Rockford Group, which is a real estate development company in Mumbai and one of the top developers in Mumbai. So for more details about the project, call us on the given number, and thank you.